Hi, welcome. I hope everything is well with you today. If you don't know me, my name is Paulo and today I'm here to teach you how to add light rays to your videos to improve their quality and give them a different look. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve in the edit page with this clip that I downloaded from the stock footage. And this is the original, and this is what we are going to try to do. Okay, so let's try to replicate this in this clip. For doing that, we go to the color page, and here in the color page, the first thing I'll do is add another node. I hope you know it, but if you don't know it, it's Alt-S or Option-S on a Mac. Let's select the second node. So let's find our light rays here in the library. If you don't see the effects, just click over here and come here to the magnifier and type light, and it's in the first one in Resolve FX Light. So let's drop it in our second node, and immediately you see this. Don't be afraid, it's normal. So let's correct this and let's come here to the appearance and the composite type, and let's change this to soft light. Of course, you can use whatever you want, but I like to use the soft light. Then the second thing that I do is resize here the image a little bit. And as you can see, this is our light source. And if I disable this, we notice that the light is coming from somewhere from here. So let's put our light source somewhere around here. And if I enable, you notice that now the rays are coming in the better direction. Now you just have to adjust everything according to your likes, of course. And I like to come here and adjust a little bit of the length. So I wanna, and come here to the source threshold. I wanna reduce a little bit because it's too intense. And I like to, in this case, I wanna remove the soft, I like the rays more intense. And of course you can adjust the brightness, give it more bright or less. So I'm gonna give it something like this. And of course you can adjust everything. Of course you have this from a location or from an angle. If you choose from an angle, everything in the rays will be at the same angle. If you use from a source or from a location, it will give them from one point spreading apart. Okay, just use it and test it. And in here you have all, so these options in here. You can adjust the global blend. If you see that it's too much, you can reduce it a little bit, but I like it like this. And now I'm gonna go to the first node, and as you can see, this area is too dark and here, so I'll come to my lift and I want to raise it a little bit, and I'm going to come here to the shadows and do the same. So this is the final result, and of course it's not the same, but you can adjust everything in here for you at your like. So as you could see, it's very easy and it gives you a different look to your videos. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope this information was helpful. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot this channel to grow. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I'll launch a video. Until there, bye!